Hello friends, welcome. India, that is Bharat, world's fifth largest economy, is on track to surpass Germany and Japan to become third largest economy in the globe. In any country, if economy exists, companies will exist within it. As long as companies exist, employees will be hired. If employees hired, salaries needs to be paid. If salary needs to be paid, definitely there is a requirement of maintaining payroll. What is payroll? As per your knowledge, what is payroll? Payroll is a process of paying employees. Payroll is a process of paying employees. Payroll is a process which will track attendance, employees days worked, employees hours worked, employees production, employees performance, and convert these into a tangible reward, that is a salary. So payroll is a process of paying to employees. In the world of business, payroll is very crucial and also complicated. It is usually managed by accounting or human resources department of a company, but in small business, payrolls may be handled directly by the owner or an associate. According to a survey, more than 57% of businesses in India still rely on paper or spreadsheet management payroll processing. In upcoming series of videos, we are going to learn everything about payroll management, from calculating basic salary, DA, HRA, ESI, PF, income tax on salaries, cess, education cess. We are going to learn each and everything all about payroll management in coming sessions. Stay tuned in the coming lessons. Thank you.